हेलो, आई नो यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग दैट क्या मैं पूरे टाइम कार में बैठ के वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करती रहती हूँ. दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. आई वाज सपोज टू रिकॉर्ड दिस वन एट होम बट आई गॉट लेट, सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट डू इट हियर इन द कार. So this has become another carpool episode which I did not really plan for it to become. Now the thing is that Chelsea has won the UEFA Conference League against Real Betis, and honestly they were the clear favourites to win it and they have won it. So the scoreline was 4-1. I'm sure you all know that, but the way Real Betis started the game was so good, like so good. I literally thought that this might be a very big upset that is going to happen in this particular match, because like I'm saying that they started the game so well. So in first 20-25 minutes they created such good chances. Chelsea's defense was completely shaken and it just felt like Real Betis is going to do something right. The fan base, the support, everything was there. माहौल बहुत बढ़िया बना हुआ था. आपडे ने 9 मिनट में गोल कर दिया था, लीड बना लिया था, एंड कुछ चांसेस ऐसे थे which they should have converted but they didn't. They missed those chances. Then coming in the second half, Chelsea came prepared. Like they changes the things that had to be changed to get back into the game and to win this obvious, like they were the obvious clear winners to win it, and I think that's what they did. The major change they made was that Cole Palmer did not get a lot of ball in the first half and he was not being that involved in the first half, but जितना तुम कोल पामर को इन्वॉल्व कर लोगे गेम में उतना तुम देखोगे कि गेम हैज़ turned completely, and that's exactly what happened because he was the creator for those first two goals, and that changed the course of the game. Especially I feel the first goal that changed the course of the game completely. क्या क्रिएट करके दिया है भाई, मतलब कोल पामर. कल ही मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था एंड इट वाज अबाउट द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट प्लेइंग 11 मेरे लिए, एंड मैंने उसमें कोल पामर का नाम रखा था. एंड आई वाज जस्ट हैविंग अ डिस्कशन विद सम ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स एंड दे वर टेलिंग मी कोल पामर शुड नॉट हैव बीन देयर because he is not a big game player. But भाई कल फाइनल था, he proved it that he was the one who has turned the game around with his brilliant display of football. I think he was crazy good and that's what he did yesterday, and both the goals created by him were very good. And I think Adrian could have saved the first one better. Enzo Fernandez ने finish किया. एड्रियन बेटर कर सकता था यार उधर, मतलब वही होता है ना, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड नहीं है एंड वाइब्स पे क्लियरली तुम वो कर नहीं सकते हो. इफ़ दे हैड अ बेटर कीपर दैन एड्रियन हैज़ प्लेड फॉर लिवरपूल. आई एम स्टिल सेइंग दैट ही हैज़ वन अस द UEFA Super Cup. It was UEFA Super Cup that we played na against Chelsea in 2019, in which Adrian was on penalties. Yeah, so UEFA Super Cup, and we won that against Chelsea in finals, and it was Adrian who made us win that. I think maybe that was the link that manager was going for, but Adrian could have saved the first goal against Enzo better but did not do that. But then comes the second goal, very similar movement created by Cole Palmer. के बाद तो भाई वाइब में जेडन सैंचो ने भी गोल कर दिया एंड फिर तो भाई काइसेडो का भी गोल आ गया, एंड इट वाज क्लियर देन चेल्सी वाज गोना विन इट. ऑफ कोर्स नॉट आफ्टर दैट, बट आई थिंक आफ्टर द फर्स्ट गोल ओनली पूरा का पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर बदल गया था उधर. बट then congratulations to Chelsea, they have done it. I think they have had a very good season if we think about it. New manager and top 5 finish कर लिया है. They are going to play in Champions League football, and on top of that they have won a trophy. It's a big thing. It's a big thing I feel, and what a season for them now. We can say that it has become a very good season for them, and transition बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. Now moving forward, I have to talk about these Liverpool transfer rumors that are going on in the market. So now we are linked with Hugo Ekitike. ना Ekitike के लिए भाई मतलब am I excited or not? See, अच्छा प्लेयर है. I'm not saying he's not Bundesliga में अच्छा कर भी रहा है, and this one has slept like always. So अच्छा कर भी रहा है, बट अगर वो 100 मिलियन के प्राइस टैग पे आने वाला है, 100 मिलियन, आई थिंक दैट वुड नॉट बी वर्थ इट बिकॉज ही इज़ द बिगेस्ट अंडर परफॉर्मर इन बुंडेसलीगा. अंडर परफॉर्मर एज इन कि उसको बहुत अच्छे चांसेस मिलते हैं, वो बहुत अच्छे पोजिशंस पे होता है, लेकिन कन्वर्जन रेट इज़ नॉट गुड. वो कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है. नाउ इफ़ ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू डू दैट, इज़ इट रिमाइंडिंग यू ऑफ समवन? इज़ इट रिमाइंडिंग यू ऑफ समवन? लाइक सोचो, we have Darwin Núñez on the team, yaar. He is also there at the right places at the right time, but he's not able to convert. So why to spend 100 million on Ekitike? I don't understand. And why are we doing that? I hope that इससे better Alvarez या कोई एक finished product को ले ले rather than coming here and reaching the full potential. I don't know if he would be able to do that or not. But वहीं अगर हम दूसरे side देखें, ईजैक भी जब आया था प्रीमियर लीग में न्यूकासल के लिए खेलने के लिए, ही वॉज नॉट अ फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट, वो भी कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पा रहा था, बट कितने ब्रिलियंटली वो अभी एकदम लीथल हो गया है, इतना क्लिनिकल हो गया है इन फ्रंट ऑफ द नेट. मे बी इवन Ekitike does that if he comes to Liverpool, I do not know, but seriously I'm willing, I'm hoping that we go on a finished product now. But let's see if it will happen or not. But another very good news for Kelleher is that we might see him play for Brentford. I think it's a very good club for him. Brentford is a quality keeper, बहुत बढ़िया keeper है, and he definitely deserves more minutes. And for that, if he's going to Brentford, I think he will do brilliant. I'm really happy for him, even though I'll really miss him because he has given us such incredible moments at Liverpool. But if he is going to go to Brentford, I think I would be happy for him. So these are the two news I want to talk to you about. अभी तक वर्ड्स एंड फ्रिम्पोंग का कुछ आया नहीं है फाइनल होके, बस टॉक्स ही चल रहे हैं भाई. बैक एंड पे पता नहीं कितनी बातें करनी है इनको पीछे. अरे करके मुकाओ, काम ख़त्म करो, अब से वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग यार, करो अनाउंस अभी, हम भी थोड़ा बहुत भांगड़ा वांगड़ा करें यहाँ पे और ख़त्म करें. बट नॉट हैपनिंग. बड़ा ज़्यादा इंतज़ार करवा रहे हैं भाई. अभी वो अमिताभ बच्चन का गाना याद आता है मेरे को, इंतहा हो गई. आई एम नॉट अ गुड सिंगर बट यू अंडरस्टैंड, लाइक दिस इज़ एग्जैक्टली वॉट इज़ गोइंग ऑन. But that is the video. I hope that we have more signings, aligned for us, because we have not seen a transfer window such as this. It's crazy what Liverpool is doing, and I'm so happy about it. Like, I'm going to enjoy this to the fullest. Did not expect कि season ख़त्म होने के बाद भी इतना enjoy करने को मिलेगा लिवरपूल का ट्रांसफर विंडो देख के, क्योंकि ऐसे दिन हमको काफ़ी टाइम देखने को नहीं मिलते. अभी मिल रहे हैं ना, तो enjoy कर लेते हैं. So again, I don't know how does he do that. Okay, that is the video, guys. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.